Greeting tutor and partner. My name is Brian Ortiz, student the English of UNAT. This course is Phonetic and Phonology. The Billboard and the Fox. A billboard was sharpening his dogs viciously against the stump of a tree when a fox happened by. Now the fox was always looking for a chance to make fun of his neighbors, so he made a great out of looking anxiously about. Is even in fear of some hidden enemy. But the bug kept right on with his work. "Why are you doing that?" asked the fox at last with a grin. "There isn't any danger that I can see, true notes," replied the bird. "But when danger does come there will not be time for such work as this. My weapons will have to be ready or used then, or I shall suffer for it." Okay, Taxavar recording. Emotion are emotion are states or feeling that are often tense, last for only a short time, and are clearly directed at or caused by someone or some circumstance. Positive emotion include joy, pride, relief, love, and compassion. We must share positive and joy to others by always trying to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger and anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. Two minimal part: cat, bat, with whiz, with rod, kid night, take stay, cow caught, pink bean, tell pill, touch bash, they pay, dick pic, deal pill, duck book, date bite, told call, told cool, take cape, told caught, tom gum, tigui, top gop, told shawl, tag gag, table gobble, ting fin, tie file, tom fun, tick vic. 3. Intonation. Statements with one straight. She works, we laughed, it stopped. Statement with two straight. Tom is reading, Mike is sleeping. The car stopped, the water has changed. Statement with three straights. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statement with four straights. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. Stemming with 5 Street. Alice wrote the letter very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is writing the book you brought yesterday. Special question, falling intonation. What is your name? What is your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly, interesting politeness, reaching intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, raising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Rocket raising intonation. May I speak to you, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, raising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or to tomorrow? Tag question, falling or receiving intonation. You don't know them, do you? They have found it, have they? You weren't lad, were you? I shouldn't do it, should? Command falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Asking for help. Rocket rising intonation. Close the windows, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence. Falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address. Raising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating raising intonation. I about to break cheese and too much. We need paper, pens, and pencil. Response. I can't cheese he while. You sure I can't? He didn't. Okay, tutor partner, thank you very much.